Hello.
Hello.
I am not a baby girl.
You're still a baby girl. You're still very young.
But I can go to school now.
Going to school doesn't mean that you're still a baby. You cry every morning because you don't want to go to school, and when you cry, it means you're still a baby.
Ah, but you are not crying at school or not?
I'm already an adult because
You are
I
baby
used to go to
girl.
school. I almost graduate high school.
You are baby girl.
I'm not a baby girl.
You are baby girl. You say baby girl to me.
You're younger than me. You're my little sister. You're still a baby.
But you are baby girl. You are my son.
I'm not a boy. I can't be a son.
You want to be my mommy. You are my daughter.
I can't be your daughter. I am your big sister.
You are my small sister.
No, you are my small sister. I'm your big sister. I'm the eldest.
You are my brother's sister. You you
Do you want to come to Mizoram?
yes. You are my big sister.
I am your big sister now.
But you are a baby.
I am not a baby.
You are so beautiful baby.
Hmm. Do you want to go to school? Are you going to go to school tomorrow?
Hello?
Hello.
You are farting at school?
Huh?
You are farting at school? Are you crying?
I'm not crying. I'm not like you. I don't cry.
Farting is crying.
I don't cry over small things like you.
You are
You're
so
still a
small.
baby.
You are so cute and adorable.
I know, right? Thank you.
You are so adorable and cute and small.
I'm not small, but I sure am adorable and cute. Thank you for saying that.
You are so adorable and cute and small.
You're smaller than me.
No, you are
You're
bigger
you're
than
even
me.
you're
I'll be
even
bigger
smaller than Ashwaya.
I will be
You
bigger
is
than you.
so big.
You are my brother want to call my brother want to tell you.
Okay. Oh.
Quiz kasi liang ti
Mm.
il ama say that English
Mm.
to get missing you get paying him.
What?
You are not good. Mi pakatutro. Mi doi ka say mi ang Mi pakatu atron atro. Mi pakatu TV and atro. Mi pakatu chess sa khel may atro. Mi pakatu football a khel atro. To get missing. And money lie at me. Oh, you are baby.
What?
Kaso ya khat tu nghe lâu tel về ngay.
So I like you.
Rồi là so tu money na ai thi chess.
Kasi lang yung answer.
Answer to chess. Anna!
Ngerti dia.
Cesa Aua.
Ôi.
Cesa khan chuan mi pahnih ngai mahnin kan thei chuan mahni movement kan se zia dawn alawm. Football a khan chuan kan zir thei lo mahnin.
Oh, but still.
Hey, are you baby? You are so adorable and cute. You are so baby and cute and adorable.
I'm adorable and cute.
No, you are small for cute.
Hey, thank you.
You are babies. You are so adorable. Chicken jockey. No. You are chicken nugget.
No, I'm not a chicken.
La 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 la. Chicken. La 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 la. Chicken. Steve for the la la la.
Do you?
Do you know song is? Correct me, please. Please sing with me. Wow. That's another song. Is the one and I wanna be next to you.
If the party was over.